This is Xiaomi Redmi 8A. It has Gorilla Glass 5, P2i splash proof resistance, 5000 mAh battery, USB Type-C, Snapdragon 439 processor and 12 megapixel IMX363 camera sensor. That's a flagship grade specs, right? But the price starts at Rs 6499 or less than $100. Still can't believe, right? Me too. Everything is good, but what about its build quality? Let's find out in this video. At front, we have 6.22-inch HD Plus display with 270 ppi, plastic screen scratches at level 3, tempered glasses at level 6 and sapphire at level 8 or 9. We could see scratches at level 6 and more at level 7, so no need to worry about any day-to-day scratches. The entire display, including the Redmi logo, 8 megapixel front-facing shooter with f2.0 aperture, is placed under this Gorilla Glass 5. The earpiece is made up of metal. At 6500 rupees, we get Gorilla Glass 5 and earpiece made up of metal. Xiaomi is teaching other brands how to make and sell phones. Thumbs up, Xiaomi. To the back, we have the new and beautiful Aura grip design. I've become a huge fan of this design. I hope Xiaomi makes more plastic phones and use this design language in its entry-level smartphones in future. The IMX363 12 megapixel camera sensor is the same as what we saw in Pocophone F1. Mind blown, right? The Redmi logo is just printed and can be easily removed using a razor blade, or it can be scratched in day-to-day usage. The camera is protected by glass. To the left, we have SIM card tray which is made up of plastic. To the right, we have volume rockers and power button which is also made up of plastic. To the top, we have microphone. At bottom, we have speaker grills, God's own 3.5mm headphone jack and Type-C port. Xiaomi, are you crazy? Thank you so much. You guys are the absolute trendsetters. And 18-watt fast charging too. Xiaomi Redmi 8A survived more than 15 seconds when in direct contact with flame. No marks were left behind after heat dissipation. Xiaomi Redmi 8A comes with P2i splash proof resistance. First at its price point. I have no words to say. Thumbs up to Xiaomi for this. Redmi 8A worked extremely well even after 2 minutes underwater. Even the speaker worked properly without any problem. The audio you hear now is directly from the speaker. Plastic phones are the kings of bend test. Now let's test Redmi 8A. It's literally impossible to bend Xiaomi Redmi 8A. This is one hell of a solid build phones I've ever tested. This is the part you have been waiting for. Now let's do drop test of Redmi 8A. Will it survive? Let's find out. Now let's drop the phone sideways. No damages to the screen and to the body of the phone. Now let's drop the phone vertically. Still no damages. There's a slight bump at the bottom of the phone. That's not a big issue though. Everything works fine till now. Now let's drop the phones back facing downwards. Still no damages. There was no damage to the camera protection too. Now let's do drop of dead. This is the part every phones fail. Surprisingly, there were no damages. So can we try another one? Another drop of dead. Wow, still no damages. That's interesting. Great work, Xiaomi. Everything works fine. Can we do another drop test? Another drop of dead? Will it survive this time? Oh my god. Redmi 8A survives 3 drop of dead without even a single scratch or drop in screen. That's mind blown. Redmi 8A houses a plastic gasket or ring around the display between the screen and the body, which absorbs the shock produced when the phone falls down. Great work, Xiaomi. Redmi 8A, the best and latest technology phone you can buy right now for Rs 6,499 or less than $100. I could easily ditch my iPhone XS Max for Redmi 8A if I need to. Thumbs up to folks at Xiaomi for building such a great phone. 8A is the best phone I've ever tested till now. Still can't get over the surprise. I can say wholeheartedly that there's no competition for Redmi 8A right now. I could see the old Nokia build quality at Redmi 8A, in fact better than them. I'm giving away the Redmi 8A which I have tested, rules and regulation in the description below. Go for Redmi 8A if you have to for this segment. Once again, thank you Xiaomi for such a great phone because of all the Indians. innovation to everyone. Looking forward to Redmi 9A. Until next time, bye bye now. Peace.
Let it go.